Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Silverline's Beauty Playbook. So today's video is going to be like a part 2 from the last video in which I posted concerning Shea Moisture. I'll probably put a link of that video into this video so that you guys can understand what's going on and how we got into a part 2. But in that video, I let you guys know that once I found product replacements for my Shea Moisture products, I will let you guys know. I want to try some new products. I wanted to also feel really comfortable and confident to tell you guys about the new stuff that I'm using. I always say that please always have an alternative to your products, because in this hair game, stuff changes and you want to be ready. So with Shea Moisture, I was using their oils, specifically the argan oil, which I absolutely love, and their shea butter oil. They are transitioning hair milk as a moisturizer. A hair moisturizer. And then I was also using their body washes. So right now I am using Soapbox. Okay, excuse the mess because we actually use the soap. But right now I'm using Soapbox. This is oat milk and chai hydrating body wash. They have a plethora of body washes. This is vanilla and lily blossom wash. Is a nourishing moisture wash. They're 100% vegan. They have about 8 different types of body washes. I ran into Soapbox by using their argan oil shampoo. This is like my absolute favorite shampoo, period. I ran into their shampoo at a hotel during one of my overnights. I just used it and I was like, this is nice. And then I tried their conditioner. The conditioner's alright. I'm the kind of person that if I try one thing from a product line and it's good, I'm most likely going to try everything else just to see how it feels. When I was looking for replacement soaps, I was like, well, if their name is Soapbox, they should have soaps. But the good thing about Soapbox is that for every item you buy on their website, a bar of soap is provided to somebody in need locally or abroad. There is a code there on the bottle. It's called the Hope Code. You can type that in if you want them people that are really nosy, you want to make sure that they gave your soap to somebody. You can go in there and type that in. I've never typed it in. I just kind of believe that if they are saying what they're saying that they're doing it. The sizes are the same and the price is about the same. I think they're like $7.99 or $8.99. That's about the same price for the Shea Moisture washes. That you're not paying more for these, so it's good, right? With Shea Moisture, I was using argan oil and shea butter oil. The shea butter oil I was using for like my scalp. It's a heavier oil, so when I really want to kind of like moisturize and kind of weigh down my strands a little bit because maybe they're just extremely dry or whatever, I would use the shea butter oil. But a replacement for my shea butter oil is by Carol's Daughter. This is the Goddess Strength 7 Oil Blend Hair and Scalp Oil. So this is like my heavier oil, okay? So this is what I would use to oil my scalp real good right before a relaxer or right before a wash. Or if I wanted to do a hot oil treatment, I'll use this. Can't remember the price of this. I want to say it's about either $6 or $7.99. It's from the Goddess Strength line, and it's really good. It says no weigh down, but I don't use this oil every day because I feel like if it's not argan oil, it's going to weigh down my hair. For my argan oil replacement, I actually have 2 replacements for argan oil. My next set of oils are from Pattern. This is the brand by why did I want to say Sarah Jessica Parker for some odd reason? Tracy Ellis Ross. Okay, I think because they have like 3 names, like Tracy Ellis Ross, but this is from her brand, and these are the oils, right? So I ran into the jojoba oil at Marshall's, right? And I was like, okay, let's try this out. Jojoba oil and argan oil feels the exact same. They are really light oils, good for every day. So I was like, okay, all right, we might not be able to use argan oil, but it's cool. But then I went to ultabeauty.com and I found out that Pattern also has an argan oil. So I was like, oh, nice. I didn't know. If I had known they had argan oil, I would have probably gotten the argan oil first. But I'm glad that I tried both because I feel like I found an alternative to argan oil. So if I go somewhere and they don't have argan oil, I know that I can look for jojoba oil, which I think it should be jojoba oil, but that's not what we're here for. The only bad thing about these two oils is the price, right? But let me break it down to y'all, because I know y'all gonna be like, who, what, why? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the price. So Pattern sells these oils for $22 to $25. That's a lot for oils. But like she says, a little goes a long way, but that doesn't really apply to Black folks because we don't know what a little is. So don't tell us about that. I will say that my justification for paying that much for oil is the amount that you get. Okay, this is the difference between the two, right? Physically or visually, you can see that the two oils are two different sizes. The Shea Moisture bottle is 1.6 fluid ounce and the Pattern is 1.9 fluid ounce. Now, if you do the math, which my math is not the best, but if you do the math, two of these should fit into one of this, right? And some more. In fact, I'm going to show you guys how it fits so that you will know that you will see that you're not paying that much more for Pattern, right? So Shea Moisture goes for $9.99, so about $10. Pattern goes for about 22, let's call it $22. All right, that's the cheapest I saw it on Ulta, but at Ulta, and I think that was a sale, so let's just call it 25. So two of this would be $20. All right, plus a little extra, let's call that the $23, $24, $25. All right, you're getting pretty much the same amount, but just in a bigger size bottle. Maybe they're trying to be nice to the earth or whatever, but I feel like it's a very, very good replacement. If you don't want to mess with Shea Moisture anymore, I think Pattern is a good replacement for it. The next set of products that I was using that was Shea Moisture that now isn't is the hair moisturizers. And I have 3 different options for y'all, so get excited because it's going down. Okay, the first 2 products are by Carol's Daughter. Okay, so Carol's Daughter has a Goddess Strength, Divine Strength leave-in cream. All right, this is a moisturizer for hair. They also have a Carol's Daughter Manoy Repair and Moisture leave-in cream. They're both leave-in creams. I absolutely like the both of them, but I love this one more. Okay, I love this one more. So again, these are paraben-free, petroleum-free, mineral oil-free, no artificial colors. Really great stuff. I ran into this at Target. I think it runs for either $7.99 or $8.99, so that's closer to the price that you would get the Shea Moisture for. And this one is a little bit more expensive. That's probably why I like it, because I have expensive taste. That's just how life works for me. But when it comes down to pricing, this is cheaper than this one. I want to say this is like $22. You can feel the leave-in cream moisture in your hair 3 days after your use, which makes it good on the hair because you don't have to moisturize and seal daily, or you can skip a day of moisturizing and still feel the product in your hair. It's long lasting. That's what I love about it. They both smell great. And guys, they're both really good products. I just like this one better. And then the last product is by Curls. It's the Curls Blueberry and Coconut Hair Milk. Now this one here feels very close to the Shea Moisture milk that I was using. Very close. I mean, I want to say the only difference is how they smell. They smell totally different, and it's a little bit more expensive too. It's really good. It's sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, silicone paraben-free, all that good stuff. And also it's good for your hair. The only thing, again, I don't like about this is the price. It runs for $14.99. So for hair moisturizers, these are the things that I use. Can I get them all in one hand? Yes, I can. 2 hands. So you have 3 options. I'm kind of excited about having multiple options because this really does help in the future. If somebody decides to act up, we can just move forward in life. I hope this helps you guys. I knew that this was important to do because I know that some of my followers have followed me to a T when it comes down to the products in which that I use. And I was like, you know what? I got to make sure my people are good because I know how I felt when the products were no longer available. I was scrambling. If you guys have products also that you have switched from Shea Moisture to something now, please share it in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.